Hey guys, Hope here. So this video is going to be focusing on eyeshadows. So I want to show you guys how to create a gorgeous everyday look with a pop of purple. And we're only going to be using 4 colors, alright? So we have Optimistic, which is a metallic ivory. We have Nimble, which is a satin nut brown. We have Ambiguous, which is a metallic lavender. And we have Marvelous, which is a matte dark brown. So let's start with Optimistic. So for this one, I'm actually going to take my liner shader brush. We're going to use the paddle end of it, and I'm going to spritz it with some rose water. Okay. Now we're going to tap it onto Optimistic. So you can see there, we got a nice coat of product. And we're just going to brighten our inner corner and our brow arch. Okay, let me get my mirror here. Alright, so we're going to, instead of brushing it on, we're going to pat it on. And because it's a metallic color, between patting it on and using the rose water, it's really just going to help that color pop more. Okay, do the same thing for the brow bone. We're just going to pat it on. You see that shimmer now? Alright, so spritz it with rose water again. Pat the color on to the paddle end of the brush. And we're just going to pat it on to the inner corner of our eye. And our brow bone. Super easy first step, right? Right. Alright, now let's go in with Nimble, which is this satin nut brown. Okay, this is going to go into our crease and blending up to our brow bone. So I'm actually going to use our fluffy crease brush. Tap, tap, tap. Tap it onto the side so you get the extra product off. And then we're going to do a windshield wiper motion at our crease. Nice and easy. And you want to make sure when you're doing it, you're not only continuing with that windshield wiper motion, but that you only start with a little product and then build up. Let's take that up towards our brow bone. And that's going to blend nicely in with Optimistic. So you can add a little more color if you want, just to darken that crease some. There we go. Then switch to the other eye. See, this isn't so bad, right? Not bad at all. Blend that up towards our brow. You see guys, I love this fluffy crease brush because it's really good for blending too. darken that up a little bit more so it's matching our other side. Yes. There we go. Halfway done already. All right. Ambiguous, which is our metallic purple. We're going to start in the middle of our lid, right where we ended with optimistic, and we're going to go out towards the outer corner of our eye. So we're going to use the deluxe brush. Okay. You can spritz it with rose water if you want to. If not, no big deal. I'm just going to pat the product onto the brush, tap any excess off, and then we're going to pat it onto our eyelid. This is a gorgeous purple color. And you're just going to keep doing little pats going up towards your crease. Add a little more product if you need to. Taking it out to the outer corner of your eye. That is a nice pop of purple. Alright, let's do the same thing on the other side. Pat, pat, pat. Up towards our crease. And if you can't tell, I'm just doing really quick patting motions. Going out towards the outer corner of our eye, making sure everything is nice and even. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous already? And the good thing, we only have one more color to do. And it's just gonna help pull everything together. So, we're going to use Marvelous, this matte dark brown. And we're just gonna put it in the outer crease and our V area. So, let's go ahead and use our angled shadow brush. I might actually switch back and forth between this brush and our crease brush. So, get the product on there, tap any excess off, and with the angled brush, I'm just gonna take it with the V. So we go down, and then up towards our crease. And you just want to make sure you have it all nice and blended. So let's switch to the crease brush to get that done with our crease. There we go. And then we'll take our blending brush, do a windshield wiper motion, and blend that outer part. All right. Now you see how we have that darker than the pop of purple, and then to brighten it up, we have that nice metallic ivory. So let's go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. We are almost done, you guys. How awesome is that? Down and then up into our crease, giving us that nice V. Go over the crease with our crease brush just to make sure it's all blended. And then our blending brush, so we don't have any harsh lines. Gorgeous. Now, if you're like me and you want to make sure that pop of purples sticks out, you can go back over it with some more of the ambiguous. Now, I love purple, so I just really want to make sure that pops, while still making sure everything's blended. Okay? Make sure we do the same thing on this side. There we go, guys. Doesn't that look so gorgeous? Now you have like an easy, everyday look and a pop of color. So let's finish it off with some white eyeliner on our bottom waterline. This is just gonna help your eyes pop more. So let's go ahead and get that on. There we go. And then we're gonna finish it off with our 4D mascara. Now I like to just do one coat, but you can pair it with our primer or do more than one coat. Completely up to you. So not only does this mascara help lengthen my lashes, but it also helps the curl stay. So we end up with these nice, long, gorgeous lashes. Look at that. And just like with our eyeshadow, repeat with the other side. I mean, really, who doesn't love nice, long, curly lashes? I have not met a single woman yet who doesn't want lashes like this. And there we go, guys. Super easy and quick to do, only using 4 eyeshadow colors. Isn't that so gorgeous? Alright guys, I hope you found value in this video, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye guys!